Unlock your financial future with RichVision Edge PAMM. Are you dreaming of a life with more financial freedom? Imagine generating a consistent, reliable income without lifting a finger. What if you could significantly increase your cash flow and build true wealth, even if you have no prior trading experience? In today's fast-paced world, traditional income streams often fall short. The desire for passive income and financial security is stronger than ever. But navigating the complex world of investments can feel overwhelming, especially in Forex. How do you participate in such a lucrative market without the constant stress and steep learning curve? The answer is RichVision Edge PAMM Account Management. We're here to demystify Forex investment and put you on the path to genuine financial growth. So, what exactly is a PAMM account? PAMM stands for Percentage Allocation Management Module. Think of it like a smart, secure investment pool. Here's how it works. You, as an investor, deposit funds into your own segregated trading account with our trusted broker, HedgePro. Our expert fund managers then link their trading strategy to your account, alongside other investors. Crucially, you always maintain absolute control and ownership of your money. The fund manager can only trade with the funds in your account. They cannot withdraw your capital. You can deposit or withdraw your funds at any time, giving you complete peace of mind and flexibility. Why choose RichVision Edge? Our team of seasoned fund managers are dedicated to two core principles: capital preservation and consistent returns. We understand that your hard-earned money is precious. That's why we utilize our proprietary HedgePro EA, an advanced, intelligent expert advisor designed to mitigate risk and identify profitable trading opportunities in the Forex market. This cutting-edge technology works tirelessly to protect your capital while striving for excellent returns. The benefits are clear. Point 1. True passive income. Once you're set up, our managers handle all the trading, freeing up your time and energy. Watch your money work for you around the clock. 2. Increased cash flow. Generate a consistent stream of income directly from your investments, providing you with greater financial liquidity and the ability to achieve your financial goals faster. 3. Expert management. Access the expertise of professional traders without needing to learn complex trading strategies yourself. 4. Capital preservation. Our fund managers prioritize the safety of your investment, employing sophisticated risk management techniques and our proprietary HedgePro EA. 5. Transparency. You have full visibility of your account performance and can monitor your investments in real time. While past performance is not indicative of future results, our proprietary HedgePro EA has historically delivered monthly returns averaging 7% or more during favorable market conditions. This performance reflects a strategic balance between growth and prudent risk management, with a strong emphasis on capital preservation and adapting to market volatility. We operate on a performance-based model. Our management fee is just 40% of the profits generated, meaning we only get paid when you make money. It's a win-win partnership, but it gets even better. Are you looking to expand your own financial horizons? You can also become a RichVision Edge partner. By referring new investors, you can share in the fees charged by the fund manager, earning up to 50% of those fees. This is an incredible opportunity to build an additional income stream and empower others to achieve financial success. Ready to unlock your financial future with RichVision Edge? Here's how to join our PAMM investment program. Step 1. Ensure you have created and verified your HedgePro account. Use the link sent to you by one of our partners. And if you are watching it on the RichVision channels, then go to the description area to use the registration link. When you click the link, this is what you'll see. Make sure you fill in accurate information as you have on your documents. Step 2. After registering, log in and click on My Account menu to open a live trading account. It is preferable if you use the MT4ECN account type. Step 3. Make a deposit into your trading account or transfer from your wallet. You can pay via bank transfer by clicking the Corapay icon, which generates a one-time use only bank account details to pay into. You can as well pay via crypto. Step 4. Check your email for your trading account login details. Step 5. After funding, type this link on your Google browser to request for connection to the PAMM manager, https://bit.ly/connectme to PAMM. Note: ensure you type it in exactly as it appears on screen. Fill the form and submit, and one of our managers will help you complete the process. Don't let another day pass by wishing for financial freedom. Take control of your future. Join the RichVision Edge PAMM investment program and start your journey towards consistent passive income and a life of abundance. RichVision Edge, your partner in financial growth.